We have published an update to our thematic report that focuses on improving attendance in secondary schools, because although we've seen that unverified data tells us there's been some small improvements in attendance recently, the attendance of pupils in secondary schools remains an important area for improvement across Wales. This report highlights some effective practice, and we've revisited some of the schools that were spotlighted last time when we published the report, and also visited some new schools who have continued to see improvements in their attendance, and we hope that that practice will help other schools consider how they can improve aspects of their attendance and the methods they use in order to bring about those improvements. In this report, we found that many of the findings from when we published last year remain the same, and some of the barriers schools are facing also remain the same. A barrier that school leaders continue to raise with us was for those pupils that live within the 3-mile radius of a school and therefore do not qualify for free school transport. Head teachers say that this remains an important barrier to helping them improve attendance, and also they're finding that it affects those pupils that are eligible for free school meals more than it does their peers. We also found some new challenges as part of this report, including the fact that school leaders find it difficult to maintain Year 11's attendance once the exam period begins and up until the end of that exam period. So we have left some recommendations for Welsh Government to consider how they might address that challenge. We hope that this report will be useful to schools and local authorities to consider how they can continue to drive forward these important improvements in the attendance of secondary age pupils.